Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create floating text on lava using inbuilt tools of After Effects. Okay, so as you see in the output, we are going to create some floating text on lava. So this tutorial I already create on one of my channel, E Education, as you see over here. Okay, so I just recreate this tutorial and enhance with that floating text things. So let's move into After Effects and create the stuff. So here I'm going to create one new composition. Right now I create HD 720 with 200 frame duration. First of all, I create simple lava without text, and after that we apply text. So this tutorial clear your concept regarding pre-compositing, or you can say nesting. So first of all, I create one new composition and then I create a solid layer, black solid. In that black solid, I go to effect, noise, and apply fractal noise. Okay, in this fractal noise, I change the fractal type to dynamic. So it will give some bubbly effect. Then I increase little contrast and little brightness. Okay, I animate this evolution thing. This stopwatch, I change my timeline and maybe 2 cycle rotation. So it will give me this kind of result at bubble in lava. Now I go to transform and here I animate offset of turbulence. Okay, and I change like this. So it will give me this kind of result, but I need this thing in perspective. So for that I just go to effect, distort, and apply one corner pin. Okay, so I get cornered control. So I just change the position of these two bottom corners and create some perspective view. And if now I play these things, you can see. So right now this result give me some flat content. I need some volume in that. So for that I need to pre-compose this thing, because see, right now I am going to apply displacement map, and here if I apply this black solid as a displacement, so what it does is it apply the displacement map as this black layer, not after applying fractal noise and corner pin. Okay, so if I change something, it will not give me proper result. So for that what I have to do, I just select this thing, I go to layer and pre-comp this thing, and here I write down name is lava displace and move all attribute into new composition. So what it will do, it move all effects, transform, animation, all this thing in this new composition. Okay, now I am going to apply this distort and displacement map, and same image as displacement map. Now I change the horizontal displacement to 0 and I increase the vertical displacement, and now you see you get some good volume in it. So what happened in lava is that black content is on top and lava and downside. So for that, what I'm going to do, I just apply effect and channel and apply invert. So now you see, now here some issue with border, so you can apply that wrap pixel around it, but maybe sometime it will not give some good result. So for that, what I prefer, I just increase the size of my composition. Okay, now for color thing, I go to effect, color, and go to colorama, and in output module I just change it to fire. And now you see you get some good lava kind of thing over here. Now what I have to do, I need to apply some text that float on this lava as same as this black material. So for that I have to go inside this composition. Okay, now I create one text layer. Here I'll write down lava. Okay, and make sure that your font color should be in white, because as you see over here, I just deactivate this thing. As you see over here, my white color creates some displacement, so it creates some mount effect. Okay, so for that reason I apply white color on my text. Now I need to apply same perspective thing, same corner pin on my text. So maybe it may possible that you copy these things and apply it over here, but what I'm going to do over here is that I just select this corner pin, I just Ctrl X, copy or cut. Then what I have to do, I create one new adjustment layer and apply this corner pin thing over here. So it will affect both of the layer, and if you want to change something, you can easily change on one layer only. Now I select my lava text, I move it over here. Okay, I go to press P in position, I activate the animation and apply animation like this, and then change the speed of the animation, that it should be same speed as my lava speed. Okay, so it gave me some good result. Now if I want to apply some displacement on text also, so for that what I'm going to do, I select these things, I pre-comp this layer. Okay, here I write down fractal noise and make sure that move all attribute into the new composition set activate. Now I go to lava, effect, distort, displacement. Over here in displacement map I define that fractal noise as my displacement map. So see, it will give me some minor displacement on my text, and I reduce this displacement, not give too much displacement over here. Now if you check on my main composition, you can see, but it not give me good result on this AG thing. So for that I just select my text and I apply Gaussian blur. and I've increased the value like 6, so it creates some feathered on my edge. And now you see, now what you have to do, you have to animate this thing also. So I just blur, I animate the blur. Over here I just increase this to 10. Okay, and over here you have to increase the value that much that it almost dissolve the thing like this. Now you see in main composition, if I play the thing, so this contain dissolve in lava. Okay, now I enhance this output by applying one more adjustment layer over here. Now I select pen tool, you can activate roto bezier or whatever you want. I just select roto bezier. I just apply one mask over here, and in mask I press M, I apply invert. Now in adjustment layer I apply brightness and contrast. I decrease my brightness, increase little contrast, so it will give me some result like this. Now I go to mask and apply some feather over here. Okay, so it will give me some good contrast and focus in my center. As well as I also apply some blur on this adjustment layer, so Gaussian blur. So now you see, so that's how you create a floating text on lava in After Effects using its inbuilt tools. So hope you like this tutorial. See you soon with another. Thank you.